Download and install VyOS in VMware Workstation. In this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, how to download VyOS framework and how you can install this VyOS framework inside the virtual machine, which is VMware, that we are going to learn here in this video. So first of all, you need to download VyOS inside your operating system, and then we need to create a new virtual machine inside VMware Workstation. So let's see that how we can download VyOS inside our system. So guys, I'm here at google.com inside my main operating system, and I will show you that how you can download VyOS. So you can simply type here download VyOS and hit enter. So you can see here that VyOS is an open source Linux based OS for routers and firewalls. So to perform router pen testing, firewall pen testing, we can use VyOS. So this is the official website of VyOS, vyos.io. So click here and open this website. And it is an open source, so it is a free one. So this is VyOS. So what is VyOS? VyOS is an open source operating system, and that can be installed on physical hardware or a virtual machine. So we have a virtual machine VMware, so we are going to install VyOS on your server or cloud platform, etc. So it is kind of router that we can use for pen testing. Alright, these are the features available inside it, but we are going to use very limited one because we are going to use it as a router. Alright, so you can click on downloads. You can see the stable version is available here, right? So you can click on stable version, and here it is redirecting to our. So from inside this list, you can download the ISO, right? So this is the second one is right, VyOS 1.1.8 AMD64.ISO, which is around 230 MB file. So we need to download this ISO file inside our system. Great. So you can click here, and here you can download the 230 MB file inside your system. Click save file, click OK, and this file is going to download inside my system. So guys, I have already downloaded that VyOS version, and here you can see that this is VyOS available inside my D drive, right? So this is the, if you can see in the properties, this is a 230 MB file, right? And this is ISO, and now I'm going to show you that how you can install it or run it inside the virtual machine or VMware. So you can open your virtual machine. So this is my virtual machine, VMware Workstation, and to create a new virtual machine, you can simply click on File, click on New Virtual Machine, Typical, Next, and here you can select the VyOS. Here the VyOS, click Next. You can change the name from here, that virtual machine name, so I can type VyOS, and you can also change the location, that way you want to save the files of VyOS. So I'm going to save it inside my C drive, because you can change it to any other drives you want. Click Next. So I have already this path, so I need to change my path. So for example, let me change it with VyOS 1. Click Next, and you can provide it 20 GB, that's more than enough. Click store virtual disk as a single file, click Next, and now you can click finish. So this is VyOS, and now it is trying to install inside our virtual machine. You just need to wait here. It is an automatic process, you don't need to do anything. You can see here that it is starting the VyOS inside my, and here you can see that I got the welcome message, that welcome to VyOS, VyOS TTY1, VyOS login. So I want to tell you that the login and the password of VyOS is actually VyOS. Login username is VyOS as well as the password is VyOS. So you can type here VyOS, click inside the screen and then type VyOS and hit enter. The password is also same, VyOS. Alright, and hit enter. So you can see that you are in the terminal of VyOS. So we have successfully downloaded and installed VyOS inside our Kali Linux operating system. Right, so VyOS has been downloaded inside our system. So this is a simple process to download and install it inside your system. So now we are going to use VyOS to perform router pen testing inside this section. So I hope you have learned that how to use VyOS inside the virtual machine or VMware workstation, and we will resume from here in the next video, and I will show you that how you can start some services inside VyOS, because we have already logged in the VyOS. So now we need to start some services. We need to set up the IP address inside VyOS, and then we need to connect it with the Kali Linux. So that we are going to cover in the next video. So this is all about the installation procedure, and in the next video we are going to learn how you can start services inside this router. Thank you.